Welcome back once again. Inside this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to design roll-up banner design in CorelDraw. In this video, we guide you through from step to step how to create a roll-up design. So let's get started. Open your CorelDraw and create a new document. Select dimension 2 3/4 by 6 3/4. Choose your favorite color. So this is the size 2 3/4 by 6 3/4. This is my background. You can download it from Google. Right click to power clip inside. Yeah, this my background. This is my background. Adjust your background. Yeah, the logo, I've already designed it before. The organization name, F2. Control K to break the text. Highlight, Shift F3 to change the title case. Change the font. Change the font face. I'm using Landaza here. Left click to drag. Control K to break the text. Left click F10 to adjust your text. Left click to adjust. Right click and drag. Copy the property from the previous text. Right click and drag on text to copy the fill. Once again, we redo it here. Then F10. Adjust your text by left click. Then rectangular box, draw your rectangular. Right click then F10, convert to curve. Double click, drag by left click. Highlight, Shift F3 to change the case or back case. That's shortcut. Left click to drag. If it don't come out like this, right click on it, order to front of page, or shortcut Control Home on your keyboard. Control Home or Shift Page Up. This is organizations Motor F8. Testing tools to adjust. Shift F3, uppercase, OK. Then I'm using F10 cutting tools to adjust the gap in between the text. Left click to click and adjust, highlight. click to adjust. Right click, copy to copy. Right click to power clip inside. Right click to edit power clip. Adjust. I'm going to choose transparency tools to reduce the opacity to make it transparent on background. Finish the editing. So circle bitmap. Under it, go into your effects, blur, then Gaussian blur. Adjust your Gaussian blur by settings. Okay. Right click to power clip inside. Right click to edit power clip. Adjust your Gaussian effects. Finish. So this is how the design is done. By doing this to package your design for your clients to show up as a roll-up, how it's going to look like throughout the box. Do something like roll-up, do something like roll-up preview, rectangle to draw the shape, give it black color, copy, reduce, move to the edge, increase more, move, copy to the other side. Can you see? I'm done with edge. To remain the base, how the base of the roll-up look like. Draw your rectangle, then choose your color, black color, by copy fill. Then F10, don't convert, just use F10 to round up the edge of the rectangle. F10 to adjust. Yes, your rectangle, give it black color. Right click to drag and copy, drag and click. So this is how it's done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more design tutorial and tips. Please subscribe for more design. Please kindly subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.